Hi. Wow, crooked. It's how I feel today, by the way. A little crooked. A little crooked. Good morning, everybody. Oh, that sounded like, by the way, there's this meme going around on, like, I don't know, not a meme, a video or whatever on Instagram. I don't know if you guys have heard it or saw on Reels. And it's like, this woman goes, good morning, everybody. Did you know by like something like cutting out coffee or something like that, you can remove the last joy of your life? Now, she's a little bit more explicit than that. But it actually makes me chuckle every time I see it. Hey, Noelle, how you doing, my friend? Good to see you here. Happy Wednesday, everybody. Wednesday, lots going on Wednesdays, including our live stream coming up at 11 a.m. Hey, Donna. Hello, hello. Oh, loving the shirt. If you're loving my shirt, stay tuned for Lisa's shirt. Okay?
Winning.
Winning. Twinning. Hey, Melinda. Hello, hello. Hi, Shirley. Shirley is checking in from South Carolina. Dawn's here saying good morning. Mickey's here. I love it. Wanda. Oh, good morning, precious friend. Good morning right back to you. Love that. Grace is here. Roxanne is here. You know it's pretty serious when I have a KitchenAid stand mixer next to me. So when I tell you this live stream is going to be real, oh, it's going to be real. We're going to talk stuffed cupcakes. Yeah, I know. Get your little X-Acto knife, cut a little top off, and let's stuff it. Okay, so 3 awesome recipes coming up. Can't wait to share them with you. How can you join the live stream? Well, Lisa was kind enough to put a link over here on our Facebook page. So you definitely want to check that out. We stream live on QVC.com at 11 a.m. every Wednesday. And boy, let me tell you what, we have some exciting stuff coming up. So stay tuned as we celebrate. Oh, happy hump day. I'm going to work that into the live stream. I love you guys. Yes, happy hump day. Hello, Teresa. Hi, Jackie. Marie from Savannah, Georgia. I only went there once. By the way, Lisa and Ed are here. So they're going to be, you guys are going to be in trouble. What?
Oh, nothing.
These two. When those two get together, plotting. Exactly. Linda, hello. Eloise, hi, Barbara. Hi, Marie. Love my top. Lisa, I'm telling you. Big announcement about this top. Not really.
We're making it an old world.
Yeah. Hey, Gloria. Hi, Diane. All right. So stuffed cupcakes. 3 different versions. We're going to do kind of like an Eastery fun one. We're going to do a little St. Patrick's Day one. Not for the kids. Let me just preamble that. And then last but not least, we're going to do my fave, which is s'mores. I will do s'mores in anything, any kind, any day. Love. Hey, everyone. Hi, Sharon. All right. So 11 a.m. By the way, you guys are amazing, and you coming over and watching the live stream is awesome, and it just helps us continue doing these great things. By the way, have you joined our new recipe group? It is a private group, so many of you have already. Thank you, very humbling, where we're sharing all food, all recipes, all amazing things, and it's just a super positive area where everybody comes and kind of shares, so we've been loving that. So it's recipes from Tara's table.
Yes.
So, shout out from Lisa. Yes. So you definitely want to go. You answer a couple of questions and then you are in. It is a private group, as I mentioned. So make sure you're joining that. And also sign up for our emails, because we send out an email every Tuesday, kind of giving you a heads up on what's going on and what we're doing. Oh, Deanna's saying long-time Temptations lover. I love that. Are you coming in?
All right.
I mean, he's skulking, which usually means
I want everybody to tune
we
in.
have a rare sighting.
And everybody
T-Bone's here.
I'm going to grow a full head of hair.
Oh, are you?
Actually, in the Facebook Live, in the actual live stream, excuse me.
Really?
Yeah. What do you think?
I think it's impossible. Since I've been married to you for 6 years, and it still looks like that.
Tell them nothing is impossible.
Look, everybody's saying hi. Donna's saying hi. Are you guys going to join us? Happy Hump Day. See, I adopted. I'm a quick study, because we're going to have a lot of fun with cupcakes. Lisa will be chatting with all of you, but please come over and support the live stream so we can keep doing this every Wednesday at 11.
There's some cupcakes that has brought me here, so
that's
you won't
true.
Be disappointed.
No, definitely. Look, Gil. Ed!
Gil!
Gil. Jerry's saying hi from Ohio, and Cindy's here, and Joyce is here. Love it. Kathy's saying hi. Everyone's saying happy hump day.
Oh, happy hump day to everybody.
He's so cute. I love that you're here.
Well, I love that I'm here too.
And you know, when a KitchenAid stand mixer is involved, I am serious.
This is serious. Who doesn't love a cupcake?
You're my cupcake.
That's true.
Hey, cupcake.
I don't like to talk about it in front of everybody, but
my mom always, whenever I call, Lisa loves it. Like, she'll answer the phone. She'll be like, "Hey, cupcake," or like,
Cookie.
"Hey, sweetie." What does she say?
Cookie.
Oh, hey, cookie.
Yeah.
Yes, she's amazing. Always food. Always. She sends her love with food. Did I see Chris Rieger? Good morning, Tara and Ed.
Good morning.
Hey, Chris. Chris, by the way, your Facebook memes really make me laugh out
true
loud.
story.
I forget the last one, but it's like I see it and I think it's either Ed or Chris Rieger. So
Good hair color choice this week.
yes, Mary saying hi from Ohio. Mary Miller's on the board. I love it. All our peeps. Verla's here. She's saying hi to both of us. Mary Jo. You guys are awesome. All right, so I'm going to finish getting ready. We're making 3 stuffed cupcakes you don't want to miss.
No.
Delish, and you can customize them and make them all yourself. And you know, it's a hot mess, so you definitely don't want to miss out on that. If you saw the wampum biscuits from last week, I still haven't recovered and almost took a window out.
We're still repairing.
We are still repairing. Hey, but that's true, and that's how I cook. So Ed's like, yeah, you were pretty much spot on.
She practiced the wampum on me, but
Wampum.
worked out.
All right, you guys. Well, oh, good. Roberta's saying she just signed up for the recipe group. That's so exciting. I have an Ed too, married 50 years. Oh, let's stay married for 50 plus years.
I'll sign up right now.
Okay, perfect. All right, you guys. We will see you at 11. Come on over to the live stream. Bye.